Good morning, this is Vasikiran from Saudi Arabia. Have a nice day, have a good day. Uh, Actually, yesterday I was wishing for 73rd Independence Day. It was 74th, but according to me, according to our calculation of baby age, no, when the baby is born, it's not 1 year old. It's a 1 day baby. When it completes a 1 year, then we call this 1 year baby. Same way, the independence has been given by the British people on 1947. It means the 1947 August 15 is the first day of the independence. So in this mean, when we are celebrating 15th August 2020 as a 74, it's not a right. It's 73 plus 1. It's called 73 according to our ratios. But okay, it's okay, 74 or 73, it's anyway, that is Independence Day. We need to celebrate, we need to be proud of that. We done it, we done, everybody share their emotions, their feels. That's good, that sounds good. And also I want to say something else about my YouTube channel. Okay, I have been started my YouTube channel more than, I think, maybe 2 years, 3 years. But I even don't post any videos, just only sharing of songs and something in local channel, local Tamil songs. Actually, I start within last week, last couple of days. I think last Sunday, probably last Sunday, I start to upload some videos, what I have been done in my past, in Saudi, in Dubai, in Abu Dhabi, Philippines, wherever I go, in home country, in Tamil Nadu. So I want to share my feels. So I open a channel. I start to feed videos. There are some songs, there are some dance, there are some wrestling, there are some cooking, there are some emotional speech, there are some Tirukural, there are some good things I am doing. Actually, why I am saying this, why I have started the channel, somebody think maybe I want money, that's why I want the channel. Sorry, I am not that kind of person. I have my money, I am earning good, I have suffered a lot in my past. A real thing I will say you, I was working since my 11 years old. Due to my family situation, I start my job at my 11. As a 1 year, I dropped my educational at 6. After 6, I worked as a mason in the construction field for 1 year. After that, my mother forced my father to get me in a school. I studied in a village school. It's a government school which has been giving books, clothes, food, everything is free. So after that, I start work part-time. I was working as a mason, I was working as a oil company, the oil labor boy, and soap cutter, cycle shop, tinkering shop, car tinkering shop, and as well as tailor, as well as carpenter, as well as grill worker, as well as car seat cover cushions, Apollo's work, as well as home interiors, same like curtain, pillow, bed, sofa, comfort, modern thumb rosette, even modern thumb rosette. So I have done lot of job. Actually, from 11 years, I am up to my college. After my college, it means 1998 to 1996. Sorry, 1996 to 2005. Up to 2005, I was doing my part-time jobs. And I'm earning money, I'm supporting the family, I'm supporting my mother, I'm supporting my father. I done a lot of things in my life. That's why I'm here. Now I'm in Saudi, almost 12 years. After my college, I done the same job for 1 year, 2006. I completed with the same work what I was done in the part-time as a full-time. After the certain day, my friend, my college mate Ganesh Mudi came to me. He was gone for settle for Qatar, and he back home, and he likes to meet me, and he come to meet me. On the time he said, there is a course which is called NDT, non-destructive testing. That will give you a good future, so please go for the course. I said, I don't have enough money. I'm getting only 100 paid per day. So he gave me 5,000 for initial amount. The course was only for 12,000 on that time in 2006. So he gave me a 5,000 and he left from India. He go for some other job. Then I has been trained by the sir whose name is Satyanarayan from Tengazi, from Mallar ITI. He is the one give me the confidence to learn. Within a 25 days, I has been learn everything. They give me opportunity in work in Rajasthan, Chambal Fertilizer, Kota. I have been working for NDT and as well as QC for Chambal, Kota. That was 2007, I think. No, 6. It's up 6. After that, I came back home within a month. I earned 8,000 per month, and I give the rent for pay for the course completed. Then I start again my job, going back to my the tailoring shop, car wash cushion cover. But the owner said, I already appointed other guy because you are going and it's not going to work for me. So he said that we don't have job for you. He said he will call me later if there is any heavy job. So I was jobless. I was very sad. I was very, very sad. But I had a friend who is doing sofa works for us on the car cushion cover area. So that guy, I see that guy in the market. So he said, what are you doing? He said, I said this, I don't have job now, I am searching for a job. So he called me to his uncle's fabrication shop of sofa cushions and sofa comfort. So I learned that job there almost 1 month. After the 1 month, the brother of my friend, Valli is Murugan, and brother of Murugan, Valli, he take me to other place, Koilpatti, for other job, same comfort work. So we learned a lot there. Within 2-3 weeks, this guy gets sick, and he left the place. But the owner asked me to work for him. So I worked for a month. On the meanwhile, I got an interview in Chennai for Singapore, Cameroon. I got for an interview and got selected, but they will need to pay 1.5 lakhs. But I don't have enough money. I asked my mother. Mother said, no, I don't have money for me. No, it is impossible. So it is one reason. And other reason is I'm a BSc graduate. They need a diploma. They are thinking from Singapore, there are a lot of companies thinking there are people who learn diploma will obey the order. Who is more than that, they will not obey the order, they will make problem. This is the thing which happens in the world. This is the wrong idea for them. Maybe they face that kind of situation, but I don't think so. I'm here almost 12 years, the thing is happening. Everything is okay, I'm working as a normal person. Okay, but we need to work as what we do. After that, I came back to the shop. Even I meet some friends who is there in NTT field in Chennai. I give my resume to those people and said, if any job found, please let me know. When I reach my home, the person who talked to me, Kodandabani and Prasad, Leve Prasad, they called me back. There is a job in Wilson India Product in Chennai. So please come for an interview tomorrow morning. I said, I just now reached my home, inside my home. How I can come back? He said, anyway, you need to come. So I traveled by the bus. On the next moment, I don't have even money, only for the bus. I have only for bus. So I traveled to Chennai at the morning. I reached morning at 9 o'clock. That's the interview at 8 o'clock, but I reached 9 o'clock. After that, I traveled by bus to the party. But the bus, I don't know, this is the first time I'm going to Chennai or that place. So I don't know the place. Even the bus driver, I asked the bus conductor to stop me on that area, but he forgot. So I go on 3-4 stop ahead the stop. So I walked back from there. I reached the company around 11 o'clock. When I reached, I said to the gate, I have an interview, so I want to go inside. But the security said, no way, you are having 8 a.m. the interview, you are now at 11 a.m. No possible. But I begged for that guy. I said, please help me. Okay. Then he called to my friend who sent me that message. So I go there. After that, the interview has been done. The interview was taken by Mr. Murugan sir from Wilson India. That time he is the manager. That he said, you have enough knowledge, but still you need to improve. So I will keep in you temporary period. So the interview has been completed. Then I joined the job. I worked for 11 months on that company, but good experience. Day shift, night shift. I learned a lot there from about NDT, UT, especially UT. What is shareware UT? What is the code deep 1.1? What is the requirement? How to scan? What kind of equipment? Olympus, ditch scan. A lot of equipments we can use. Pro MT technique, PT, MT yoke technique. Everything I learned there. So I had a good experience there. As well as in the quota also I had a good experience because we are doing thrusters, harness tests, explosion MT, MT normal, MT, PT, UT, even RT, and inspection also for column, reactor, so on. So I got a lot of good knowledges while I working in Quota and while in India. When I come for CBI, I come from Saudi Arabia. I got an interview, telephonic interview. These also get a long tragedy story. I has been selected for NTDC, some other company, which is paying very less. That interview has been made in Chennai. I was selected. I was given the passport. This is untold story for my company. When I selected, then I go for job for Wilson Day. Then the evening from CBI they called me. Not from this company, my company they called me, and they were asking to give me a time for an interview in the phone. I think that's the other company where I have to submit my passport. I said I already submit the passport. Why you want to call me? But that guy said, no, this is different company, different pay, different scale. So you need to attend the phone telephone. Then my manager called me. He had taken an interview for 1 hour. Then my level 3 called me. He has been taken me a half hour. After they said you have been selected and you need to submit your passport, and our travel agent from Delhi will contact you, and so on. I don't have my passport. It's with the other company, Indian Overseas. So I start asking my passport back. In the meanwhile, my father got some bike accident and he got some fracture in his legs. So he was in hospital placed. So I called both companies that I cannot come outside because my father is sick. He has got a fracture in his legs, so I need some time. So actually, God grace, the company both are agreed to that. Then I was refusing that other company, and I got my passport. They didn't give me the passport up to 3 months. They asked me to come again and come again and come again. The passport is in Bangalore, the office is in Bombay. So I was feeling crazy. I got a job, but I couldn't go. I was almost and the half-minded person that time. After that, my sister's housewarming function that day, they got a call from the company. They said, why you are not doing this? Almost 4 months. What happened to you? Then I said, okay, I will try. Within 1 week I will come. So I go to the company which is get my passport. I step in the door, and I sit down there, and I said I will not move from here up to I get my passport. On the day evening, almost around 3 o'clock, they give my passport. The reception girl said that you are the only person who get the passport back without paying anything, without doing anything. You are great. So there's a lot of struggle in my life. After that I came here. Now almost 12 years I am doing my job. Very good. I am here very good. The company has been supported a lot for me. Not for me, but there are some plus and minus. It's okay. It happens with everyone. So I am okay. I am happy now. This is my story up to now as a job. So I have been working since my 11 years. Up to my first salary is 10 rupees per day. Now I am working in Saudi Arabia almost 12 years. I am getting good enough. I have everything. I start with zero. Now I have everything in my hands. Good job, good house, good family, good wife, good children, good mother. The only thing my father has left me on 2016. He has had a sudden heart attack and he has left for me. Okay, I'm a little worried at that time, but still, my son remains my father. Same tattoo. After 1 month, he has been born. So I put my father name as Udaya, Suryan as Uday Krish, my father and grandfather's name, to my son. So I'm happy with that. So now one more thing. Actually, working is very simple, but sincere working, be honesty, be loyal, be ethic. It's very hard. And also, we people in Saudi or we people in Gulf abroad, we work as the same cycle. Wake up at 4 and start work, start get ready, moving to the site, start work, break, lunch, up to the evening shift, then go back to room, shower, eat, sleep. This is a routine thing we are doing. We need to have some enough time to do it. So and so. We need to some relaxation. We need to have some fun. We need to have some enjoyment. If there is nothing else, how we can survive? Only family. Family. There are a lot of problems. Wife, mother problem. Wife, brother problem. Lot of problems. Wife, husband. Even myself, my family, I have a lot of problems because misunderstanding with the people. There are people, they think they are living their world. They think that will happen. They will think like that. They will do that. Like, they will keep like that. This the imagination, the negative thoughts. There's a lot of negative thoughts in the people. The people always think in the. People need to think in a positive way. Whatever is that, they need to think in the positive. Go for good things. But people are not doing that. That's a big headache for each and everybody. So please, people, you need to understand what is happening. You need to think positive. You need to be positive. Make your life simple and very honesty, very straightforward. Don't worry about anything which will happen. Somebody look on you, somebody say on you, somebody screw on you, somebody backfire you. Nothing will happen. You do your job in 100%. Nothing will happen to you. It's my life. I like to live in this way. I like to be happy. I like to make people happy around me. This is my only goal. And my YouTube channel is open only for that. I don't like any money. If I get money, single money from the YouTube channel, I will donate this money for poor people, for educational, for some ill people. I will do this if I got money by God's grace. But I never touch the money for my personal use. I have my enough money. I sweat my blood as I sweat and earn money. It's enough for me. I need to say this message for all those people because my Facebook is almost full with 5,000 people, almost 5,000. Finish. There is no space to add people. If somebody needs to add me, please follow me. That's it. We can do it. That's the only we can do it. Or come to my YouTube channel. I will follow you guys. Don't problem. This is Vasikaran signing off from Saudi Arabia. I need to go for a job now. The time is almost 3:30. There's 1 more hour. We can 4:30 the bus will leave. No problem. There's 1 more hour. No problem. So according to this, the life is very simple. Earning money is also very simple. But we think the money is the big vital role in the life. Money. Everybody need money because this world is running with money. You see, without money we cannot buy anything, we cannot eat anything, we cannot do anything. But still, there is a humanism. If humanism is there, there will be will. If no money need. I have an example. Once I was working in a marketing field in 2005 after my college. I had working for only simple for 2 months, around 2 months. I was selling books, same like Oxford dictionaries and encyclopedia. I was gone for a trip of Kerala, Kannur district. When I was there, I was selling books. The book is worth this 500, but 2,000 we need to sell for 500. So one day I was planning to go for our own place. The name was the city name is something different. Same. There are two cities same. Only one letter is changed. The city name is changed. So I got a wrong place to go. I got a bus. I had only 50 rupees in my hand. I didn't get my breakfast. I just carrying a 50 kg of books. One each encyclopedia contains 5 kg of books. So I gave him 10 books. So I am carrying with that, and I'm never reaching this destination. But I see there only one auto stand and 4-5 houses. I have only 50 rupees. I paid already for 35 for the bus. So there is remaining only 15 rupees in my hand. Oh, what to do? I see a auto driver. I asked him, bro, there is any school nearby or college nearby? He said, have, but 20 kilometers from it. Well, how much you will charge? He said, 150 rupees. I have how much? 15 rupees in my hand. What do? Oh, I speak that guy, if you come with me, I will sell the books, I will get money, I will pay. By God's grace, this guy is very kind. He said, okay, I believe on you, you come. If no money also, no sale also, no problem, I will support you, come. Let me go there. I meet the principal. I was very, very good on that time. English is very good. So I talked to the principal and said, I have a bring this world-class book. So this will be very useful for you and for your kids, for the school, the teachers, anyone. So I want to give a demo to each class. So can you permit me? The principal said, no, it is not possible. But I will buy one book, one set. But let me try with the teachers. I will give the book with the teachers. They will say to the kids, if they like, they can make order. Then after 1 week, you come back and you will get it collected. Or you can sell it. Meanwhile, I sold 2 books on that day, and I got the 1,000 rupees in my hand. I paid the 150 for the auto guy, and when I come back, I was very, very hungry. I was very, very hungry, so I want to eat some food. I said to the auto driver, I want to eat my food, but the 1,000 is my sale. I give 150 as my commission is 70 per book. It is 140 only. So I don't have enough money in my hand. Only 15 plus 5, 20 rupees is in my hand. So I want to eat within that. How can we eat? This guy take me to a grandmother's house, small house. He give that kanji type of thing, which is very, very, very delicious. In my life, I never tasted such a food with coconut chutney, which is very dry. Oh, it's very tasty. I take 3 plates of kanji, and I paid only 6 rupees on that day. I am very, very thankful for that guy, auto driver, and that grandmother who given me a great opportunity, great food. Okay, this is the life. We need to believe. After the 1 week, I got the same school. I go back to the same school. I sell almost 100 set of encyclopedia. Imagine how good is that? If I think when I reach the place there is no house, no way, nobody is there. So I should go back. If I gone back, I will miss the great opportunity. So there is the will. There is something. You need to believe on yourself. You need to believe on yourself. You need to believe on God. You need to believe on whatever it will give success in your life. My life is for me. I will say. I'm not saying that I'm very good. I'm very good man. I'm very honest man. I'm very ethic man. No. Everybody has 2 hearts. One is good one is bad one. Every time it will come out and say you. The good one says don't do that. If you are going to do some bad thing, the good one says don't do that. The bad one says, oh no, you need to do it. This is your life. You need to do it. But when our brain and heart, we have some two substance. You think from your heart, it is very emotional. You think from your brain, it's very scientific, very achievable. So you need to think. You need to listen for both your heart as well as your mind. The heart says something, the mind says something. You need to convey. You need to conclude what is the solution for that. If you get the conclusion, then it will help you. Otherwise, if you listen for the heart, sometimes it is emotional. It will hurt somebody. It will hurt somebody. If you do something for something, it will hurt somebody. If you listen for the mind without the emotional feels, only for you looking for the money, no, I don't care about anyone. I only have money. I need only money. Then somebody is going to hurt. So, the main thing is we need to be vigilant, calm, and we need to be smart. Even we need to be smart even more, because this lifestyle is running. We start with the money, we need money. Actually, money is not a vital role. Somebody says money is the very vital thing in the world. For me, money is not a vital thing. What you earn for live, you can live with a certain amount. I start my life with 10 rupees per day. I lived with 10 rupees. After that, I get 100, 50. Then I got 100. I lived with 100. In India, 100 rupees per day, it means 3,000 per month. I can live with the 100. Then I get Chennai. I got 6,000 per month. I had lived with the 6,000. After that, I came outside. I have earning around 50,000. I have lived with the 50,000. I built my house. I married. I got one more house. I got my children's school, my mother's, my father's ceremony, so and so. I am paying so. I got my car. I got my bike. Whatever it is there. The money, what I need, I'm earning, I'm expending. I never keep my money in my hands. I never ever keep my money in my hands. I spend everything because I know that money is not the vital thing. We need to be vigilant. We need to be we need to be very frank. So you can invest, you can put fixed, you can make mutual funds, you can make gold, you can buy some golds, you can make share in some business. Whenever you keep your money in your hands, your mind will say you are big. So don't think you keep your money in your hand. Please invest in anything which gives you good feedback, good results. So money making is not a big deal. Money is money. Human is human. So be human. Be calm. Be always fair to everybody. Try to help somebody. My life goal is, I start my life goal when I was in 10th, I think so. I start these wordings always tell to me. Be happy. Try to be happy. Maximum be happy. Try to make people happy around you as much as possible. As much as possible. I'm trying it in my entire life. I have been helped a lot of people, but without knowing their faces. There's some other parties there, some helping associations there, which is, if they need something, they will contact you. If you give your contact number, they will contact. They need some educational loan, they use some physical treatment for the treatment paisa, money, so and so. Because indirect, I'm doing my indirect things. You also do. Everybody can do this. If you are earning 50,000 per month, you have an expense of 35,000, 40,000, you earn 5,000. Keep remaining 5,000 for giving some poor people who are suffering a lot. People are there, still there. They are not educated, proper educated. They are not proper guided. They are not given a guidance. They are not given a lifestyles. Even my family, my father's sister, they are still in the lower class. So I am trying now this year. I am trying to make them same my level. So because I'm start from zero. I start from zero in 2006. 2008 when I start abroad, I'm zero. I didn't have a house. I had a house, but small, same like a government made house that is made of coconut leaves, that Kudsa in our village, cherry house. After that, 2008 I built the house, the same place. I restore the small house and make small bigger one, around 850 square feet. Then after by step by step I got married. I got built a double floor. Then after marriage I got more money, little more money. I got kids. I got some more money. I got good paid in my company. Then I got in more house. I invest in a land. I invest in a business. I invest in a fixers. I invest in a gold. So and so. I plan myself. Now I have getting a good money paid. I can help somebody if there's a real need. I don't like to get cheated by some people. I will give money if I need. I will believe. I will if I understand. So it's a life of Vasi. Money is not a vital role. Money is just a thing which helps us to lead the life. So don't run behind the money. We have something to do, something else to do. And one more thing about my YouTube channel. This YouTube channel is started only for entertainment, fun loving, or getting some good experience, good knowledge. I have given the description. Maybe you can read more than 100 solutions. Anything you need, or anything you need some suggestion about welding field or construction field or business or NDT or exercising or cooking, anything. I have a certain knowledge to give you something, and if I don't understand anything, still I have enough time to know about that. I have enough people to know about that. My friends, my college colleagues are still somebody in China, somebody in Angola, somebody in Delhi, somebody in Vietnam. We spread. We are almost 54 people. We spread all over the world. Most of us in Chennai, but I think more than 10 to 12 people are outside. So we have enough time. We have a society that if you give some topic, we can decide, we can discuss, we can get conclusion, we can give some feedbacks. So anyone need anything about anything, knowledge or anything about that, we can give your feedbacks. We can actually, I am the head for the team. Whenever I get some questions, I will discuss with my team and I will get a conclusion. I will do those things. So don't worry, be happy, try to make people happy around you. This is Vasikan signing off from Saudi Arabia. That's time to work. I need to get ready. So bye bye, take care. I will come tomorrow online. We'll have something else. I have a lot of things to say, but no enough time. So we'll discuss further in my future in Facebook as well as in my YouTube. So I will post in both. So please subscribe my channel and press bell button for further notification always. Actually, I have 5,000 people in my Facebook, but even only 50 people subscribe my YouTube channel within a week. I am very shocked. I think when I put my channel, I think maybe within a day or within a month, within a week or within a 3-4 days, I think maybe a lot of people will subscribe. I will get viral, something so and so. But I see people are very lazy. Very, very lazy. It's not a lazy, it's an attitude of lazy. They have enough time. They won't utilize enough time. They're saying I am lazy, I want to sleep, I want to do in the daytime there is a 3-hour break, they want to sleep. I'm very tired, I'm reading, I'm bored about using the phone, I was using Facebook only, I was only calling my family, so on so. Yeah, it's a part of life. You can do it, but still you need to. I'm not forcing anybody to subscribe my channel. I'm just saying there is a channel which is good for you. The money, when I get the money, I will not use that money for my personal. I will donate this money for some foundation. This is my future plans. Whatever I earn from my sweat, it will be my money. So this is not my sweat. This is my part time. This is my extra time. So okay. Now is the time to quit. So I am signing off. Bye bye. See you. This is Vasikan signing off from Saudi Arabia. You are Vasikan. All in all, Alagaraja. All in all, Stylist King YouTube channel. Please subscribe and press bell button for notification. Bye bye. Tata. See you. I will see you later tomorrow. Bye bye.